Retire like a genius.
How to become a life settlement genius. What is a life settlement? People have been hearing about life settlements for many years, but what exactly is a life settlement? A life settlement is the sale of an existing life insurance policy for more than its cash surrender value, but less than its net death benefit. There are a number of reasons that a policy owner may choose to sell off their life insurance policy. The policy owner may no longer need or want their policy, or the premium payments may no longer be affordable. A policy owner may have a term policy that they're going to abandon. A policy owner may have long-term care needs or be thinking about a Medicaid spend down, so they're going to lapse or surrender their policy. But for those that own a life insurance policy, a life settlement is an opportunity to receive the higher market value than getting little to nothing if it were to be lapsed or surrendered. Life settlements can be used to generate income, pay for health and long-term care expenses, fund an annuity, or keep a retained death benefit. Once a life settlement is complete, the original policy owner is no longer responsible for making any more premium payments. Life settlements provide higher payouts for the policy owner the older and sicker that the insured is. Industry reports show life settlements can provide 5 to 10 times more money for a policy than cash surrender value. The industry average payout is about 25% of the death benefit, and the typical age range is between 72 and 95. There are no costs or fees to do a life settlement, and it will take about 90 days to complete the settlement process and then receive a lump sum payment.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.